welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a how to get platinum blonde hair. I actually did my hair by myself and I always get questions about it, like, oh, who do you go to do your hair, or like, how did you do it by yourself? Yeah, so let me show you the process. I'm not going to actually bleach my hair today because I feel like it's already been bleached enough, so I'm just gonna try to explain and like show you how I did it. So first of all, I want to say that if you do have thin hair or if you don't have a lot of hair, this is not for you. I try to go to a professional because I did lose a lot of hair. Like, I'm pretty sure half of my hair is like gone already from bleaching it so much. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know. So the first thing that I got at Sally's was the Bright White Ion, what was it, cream lightener. And then I do pair it off with the developer, is the 20 volume developer. If you are going to be bleaching your hair a lot, I do suggest the bigger one. I just got the smaller one because I wanted to show you guys like which one I use, but the bigger one is definitely better because you will be going back and forth to Sally's, and that's like a huge waste of time. So just get the big one. Oh, by the way, all of this like you can buy at Sally's. Like, you can just go there and like get everything at Sally's. Like, you don't have to go anywhere else. I also got like this little bowl and it came with the brush. And then I got these hair clips. It came in a 4-pack. Coconut oil. And then this is for like for prepping your hair and for like aftercare. And definitely need gloves. And then I also got this hair mask. It is Luxe Majestic oil. It's 100% Moroccan argan oil. It's a hydrating repair mask, and I use this more of like conditioner because, you know, after you bleach your hair like a couple of times, it does dry out your hair. And also the Shimmer Light shampoo. I use this a lot. Like, I would definitely prefer the purple shampoo than the Wella toner. I have the T18 one. I did use it a couple times, but I don't know, I didn't really like it. I felt like the shampoo is better. Also, if you are using the shampoo, like, it's not going to tone your hair unless you have completely washed off all the bleach from your hair. That is something that I learned. So, you know, after you bleach your hair, you have to like scrub your hair a couple of times. Don't use the purple shampoo to scrub your hair because it's more to tone your hair. But yeah, definitely take out all the bleach from your hair before you try to tone it, or else the purple shampoo is not going to work. Okay, so all of the products that I just showed you, I will try to get a link for them and put it in the description below. I'm going to try to do that to make it easier for you so you can find everything. Okay, so now that I have shown you all of the products that I used, I'm going to show you the process. And first things first, I part my hair in like 4 parts. I use like clips to like hold them back, and then I use like a comb to like part them. First, I like go straight in the middle to the back, and I just kind of like make my way down. Alright, now that I have my little bun, I'm going to clip it down so that way it doesn't get in the way while I'm bleaching my hair. And then I'm going to pretend like I'm starting from this side, so I'll just leave that one down. And let me do the other side now. It's okay if it's not perfect. Like, I did this all by myself, so it definitely did not come out perfect, especially in the back. But if you do have someone that is willing to help you, get that help, because I cannot tell you how many times I have missed spots and it does not look cute. So yeah, if you have help, get it. If not, it's okay. I did it by myself, so you can do it too. Now that you have parted your hair, time to go ahead and get your bleach ready. Okay, so for the bleach, you have to use, it says 1:1 ratio or 1:2 ratio, but I'd rather do the 1:1 ratio because I feel like it's easier to measure. So whatever amount of bleach you put in, you have to put the same amount of developer. That is pretty much what that means. And let me do like a little sample just to show you like what it should look like. I don't measure, I kind of just eyeball it. You can tell if you put enough developer by the way it looks. And let me show you how it should look like. Right, let me mix it. And then what I also like about the bleach is that it doesn't smell like super bad. Because I have tried like other bleaches, but they just like they're too strong, and like this one doesn't smell that bad. And it also doesn't leave your hair dry. Like maybe, you know, after a week or so, like it does start to dry up because that's just what bleach does to your hair. But you know, right after, your hair isn't dry, it's like creamy, which is why I stuck to this bleach. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now that I have shown you what the bleach should look like, I'm going to show you how I bleached my hair. So let's put this away. Okay, so now that your bleach is ready, you're ready to start bleaching your hair. Like I said, I'm not gonna bleach my hair. I'm just gonna show you like how I do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the back of the brush and you're gonna part your hair into little sections, kind of like when you straighten your hair, but it has to be more of like a little section like at the bottom. I usually do this like during the nighttime, like when everyone's asleep and it's just me. Okay, so now that you have your little section, you're going to take your brush and then dip it into your bleach. And also, if you want to keep your roots dark, do not put it on your roots. Try to like avoid your roots. So just kind of like go like this and like brush it out to make sure it's like all in there, all the way to the end. And then you just keep doing that. And go ahead and dip your bleach and do it again to the next section. Just blend it all in there. And also, I do recommend putting on a towel over your shirt, because even if you do wear like an old shirt, it does get like, you know, on your neck, and it gets like a little bit itchy sometimes. Okay, so now that you are done parting all of your hair and putting on the bleach on this side, you move on to this side. When you bleach your hair, I suggest that every time you bleach it, you start from either the bottom or the top. So, you know, just keep starting from a different place, because it will start to break easier if you start in the same spot. Leave the bleach on for about like 40 minutes, 30 to be safe. Like I always try to do it for 40 minutes, but I would always get scared that my hair was going to pull off, so I would end up leaving it on for like only 30 minutes. So it's good to be cautious with your hair because you don't want it to like break off. Definitely check up on it while it's bleaching. And also, everyone's hair is different, so what might work on my hair might not work on yours. It is just depending, you know, on your hair. So definitely keep an eye on it. You know, when it starts to get stretchy, that's when it, you know, dries out and your hair's like giving out. Also, I forgot to add that before you bleach your hair, use coconut oil. You put it on like the night before you bleach your hair, or like 3 hours before you bleach your hair, but use coconut oil because it'll keep your hair nice and hydrated. It's just kind of like to prevent more damage to it. It definitely helped me once I used it. And then also you can use it after you bleach your hair. I put it on after my scalp was getting like really itchy and it was just hurting a lot. After I put it on, it felt like so much better. Like I didn't even feel like that itchy anymore. Oh, and for the toner, I used the Wella T18 Color Charm. This one, it will only work once your hair is like more blonde, so after like a couple of bleaches you'll be able to use it, but it has to be like super blonde. It's not gonna work if your hair is still like that yellow blonde, like super yellow blonde. It's not going to work. Depending on how light your hair is, you're going to need like a different toner. So I recommend going to Sally's and asking them what type of toner you should get, because it also depends on what type of blonde you want. There are many types of blondes. You can even take a picture and say like, well, I want to tone my hair like this, and they will help you out. They are super nice. Every time I go in, like, they're so helpful. And then also, if you want your roots a bit darker, you would need like a darker toner for that as well. And you can go to Sally's and they'll let you know. Okay, and then I recommend bleaching your hair like every 3 or 4 weeks, so like once a month, just so you can see how your hair is like holding up. Do not bleach your hair like back to back, like one day and then the next day bleach it again. Do not do that. I tried that and I did have a lot of breakage on my hair, so don't do that. I learned my lesson. Now I'm telling you. So yeah, definitely let some time pass by, see how it's holding up. Alright, I have told you like everything that I've done, all of my tricks, all of my tips. If you have any more questions, let me know. You can ask me on Instagram. I'll have my name below in the description box. I hope this video was super helpful. I've gotten so many questions about it. I'm finally glad I'm able to share everything with you. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll try to put out a video like every week. Alright, so thank you for watching. Bye.